Hey guys, how are you? I know I missed you guys. I haven't vlogged in a few days and I'm like, oh snap, I haven't vlogged. And so it is Tuesday morning. It's about 10:30. I am going to the post office. I'm gonna drop off a beauty package for a friend. And it's anyways, so I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna head to McDonald's for a sausage McMuffin for me, and then I'm gonna head to Target. My beauty book, where I usually write down my notes, pages are already done. I need a new notebook, so I'm gonna go to Target for that, and I'm gonna take you guys with me. It's a beautiful day. Guys, it's been hard for me to vlog, and I tell you guys why. Because I now have my iPhone. My iPhone is bigger. And I'm like, dude, how do people do this? Because it's so big. Anyways, let's get going. I gotta go downstairs. Alright, so I just dropped off the package. Don't want to show you guys. Not sure when it's supposed to be delivered. I don't want to show you guys the person's address, nor mine either, but it's going to Arizona. So now I'm going to McDonald's and then Target. Alright guys, so now I'm going to McDonald's. I feel bad for this guy. He wanted to mail some documents or some paperwork. I don't know what it was. To France? I don't know what the cost was or if they were even able to, but he left. My turn. Guys, it is so stinking hot. Like, what's going on with this weather? I don't know what's going on, but it's super hot. Alright guys, so I ended up getting this 3 college ruled notebook with 150 sheets, and it was on clearance actually. It was like $2 and something. So here's all the stuff that I have written down. You guys know, and please, if you guys ever feel like I'm reading something, I'm reading my own notes. I have my own homework to do. I show you guys. I have so much stuff written down. I want to tell you guys, like I said, everything, you know, it's all in here. I do my homework, and I want you guys to know that if you guys ever see me kind of reading, I could possibly be reading, but my own homework, okay? Not off the screen, not off of, a website. No! Sorry, she moved my papers, and I'm like, no, I just put them in order because I ripped them out of the other book that's pretty much gone. Here's all the information that I write of all the topics that I give you guys. Please never think that I read off of a screen, okay? Everything is an honest opinion review, and this is for my new homework. I'm excited. Alright, it's nap time for Valentina. It's 12:55. If ever she falls asleep and I need some sleep, I usually fall asleep until her late afternoon nap, which is around 4:30, because that's when she sleeps the longest. Alright guys, we finally got Valentina a high chair. I'm still decluttering. I got a mess, but I'm giving her some chicken fried rice, and it looks like she already wants to eat, so let's see what she does. No lo tires, no lo tires. ¿Qué pasó? Guys, look at this palette. It's so beautiful. What is it called? Desert Sunset. I like that one. I like this contour thing. Is this real? Nope. These are also new from Pure Cosmetics. This is $42. I like this gold color and this one. Look at that. It's beautiful. See what else they have. That one's nice. Got foundation, mascara. So we're going home. I just looked at the beauty stuff and bought 2 or 3 things. There was really nothing for us to buy, honestly. So we're going home. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a night. As you guys can see, it's about 9:20 and she's doing it again. She did this last night. She cried her lungs out and there's absolutely nothing wrong. Changed her diaper. She already ate. Checked her for any rashes, anything abnormal, and there's nothing wrong. Only thing she has is a runny nose. However, last night this happened and it looks like she wants to be carried, like she doesn't want to go to sleep type of phase. So we kind of let her cry it out last night, and I'm gonna see what tonight has in store, because I don't know if she's gonna fall asleep. I am tired. I tried to take a nap earlier with her in the middle of the day, but she took a short nap and I didn't get to sleep, so it just like fuzzed me out. So I'm ready to go to sleep. Apparently she's not, and she's just staring at me while I do this. So obviously nothing's wrong because she stops crying. If anything was wrong, she'd be crying, keep crying, and cry during the day, which she doesn't. So yeah, thank you guys all so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next video.